Hi everyone, I'm Catherine, the founder of Camboree. I wanted just to come online to share with you a little bit about our Zen-Dos. So essentially it's a weekend, a daycation or a single night stay. It's an alternative to a traditional hen party. It's a great way to celebrate a special occasion, a big birthday, or just a lovely time to spend as a girls' getaway, an opportunity to catch up and spend quality time together. So a real focus of the weekend is taking the stress out of it for you. So I can go away and find the venue, I'll do the food shopping, I'll cook for you all weekend, and the menu really is indulgent but healthy and wholesome too, so you don't come away feeling sluggish. In terms of what you can get up to, the vibe of the weekend, it's really up to you. So if you want it to be more adventurous, creative or relaxing, we can incorporate that into the weekend. There's daily yoga lessons as an option, some in-house creative activities such as making energy balls, decorating cookies. And if you'd like to go for a more relaxing option, then we can bring in some lovely in-house therapists that can massage and offer facials and manis and pedis. But if you're a more adventurous crowd, then we can happily organise horse riding, co-steering, kayaking. So it really is up to you. The weekend, really the focus is about getting together, spending quality time together, catching up, making memories and just having a lovely, relaxed and fabulous time. So that just gives you a little idea about it. If you'd like to know more, then just get in touch and I'll share with you a little bit more of what it could look like.